What's up, guys? This is Ian Powers here again. It's October the 4th, and I'm coming another video with a package that I got in the mail from Amazon. So let's open it up. I ordered this Friday, and it said it will be here today. So let's get right into it. My hearing aid batteries. Yep, they would do. Huh, that's cool. It's it's like 10 packs of hearing aid batteries. That's cool. So now I can here's one of the little, these sizes are for my hearing aids. I have hearing aids. And then here's the one that I ordered. Cool. It's 128 gigabyte with an adapter. Says, yeah, I do have a dog named Sadie and named Tig, and right now she was trying to get into the little package thing, so let's see here. I got this off Amazon because I had a 32 gig and I didn't want to keep deleting all of the videos, and before I posted on here to YouTube, so I just bought another high quality or high gig. So let's I don't know where I'm gonna put the other SD card. Might put it in this I forgot something where to put it. And stay tuned, I'm gonna do a travel vlog on Thursday. I won't vlog in the morning like really early. I'll vlog in like midday, because in the morning I'm still kind of getting up, and so I mean I could, but it's okay. I should probably like count my vlogs and like number them. I'm drinking coffee. Let's see here. Where's that? Okay, this. Wow, that's kind of shitty. I mean, sorry if I cuss on that one. I am like terrible at opening packages. I'm not gonna like tell you I'm an expert at opening packages, but for a second I thought that had to do this at the same way at the when I got my GoPro. I had to do this. It's not too fancy. It just right here. It's in this little thing. Pop this open. Be very careful, because if you don't do it right, it will mess up the package. I mean, not the package, the card, and your card will be flying out of the package. You do not want that. Okay, that filament right there. There's a little plastic thingy. You probably can't. Like right about there. Be careful, because it will. If you pull it too hard, you won't get it. Sometimes you won't get it, sometimes you don't. I'll just... You know what? So, there is another way to do it. I think it's not by cutting it. This is like 24 something off of Amazon. If you have a... Let me get all my trash, so I don't forget to throw it away. For a second, I thought those heating batteries was like tiny, but it wasn't. It's the right size. Let's see here. Yeah, I gotta go do this thing. Try and get this off. Try not to break the card in the process. I think Sandy's need to get a new way to open it, because yeah, let's do it this way. Now you're staying with a little bit of... Why did they send it like this? I mean, with all extra layers. Yeah, with the... I got it. I got it, but it's not the way I want it to be. Is that the card itself? Yes. Okay, let's... It's okay, I accidentally dropped it, but I knocked it off a little bit. It's okay because I'm gonna test it. The way that I'll do it is take the battery out of the GoPro and yeah, that is the 32 that came with the, and now here is the the 128, I think, yeah. Couple bars right there. Okay, let's see here. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, turn on. Maybe I had the GoPro wrong. Wrong way. No, it should. Maybe. I'm gonna take this GoPro off the tripod. I think that's what's the problem. I think I just jammed it. That's good shape. And then the battery goes like this. GoPro, turn on. Right there. See, it's five hours and 07. Well, that means I have 5 hours of film, but I'm not gonna use all that because of the 32 gigs. So let's pop this bad boy back onto the little shorty mount, little shorty tripod, and let's get to vlogging. Not today because I probably have to clean. Ooh, that thing's. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. What's up, guys? This is your boy Ian on another SD card. So, I'm probably have to delete some of the videos off my 32 gig and then use that for another vlog, and this will fly for another vlog also. So, hope the quality is good, and see you guys later. Just say something on the GoPro for the one medium. And what's up? Alright, today I will try to do some vlogging on my GoPro, on my fishing equipment / GoPro, turn off. 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 I think that when you are looking at your film and you want your GoPro to turn off, it won't because you are looking at your film. So this is it, and hope you enjoy it with a little bit of me talking, a little bit of me trying to open it. In the background, I know that my bud's on the phone, just ignore that. So, hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time.